Hi guys, Alex from Full House Group, Game on Live Sports here. Just doing a quick video explaining how to upload your own images onto the Gamezone signage. First step is to get to the Game On website to log in. So here's the Game On website. In the top right hand corner there is a venue login button. Just head there, enter your username and your password, and click login. Once you've logged in, we want the third tab across, which is Tools, and then Digital Signage. Now once you've logged in, you've got several tabs across the top. These are different layouts and formats for live sport, highlights, event promos, any Full House Group promos that are available to you. But what we want to do is focus on venue promos and click New. Now here's the area where we can name and set up the different parameters for the ad. We'll find an image to upload. The image size you need is 1080 wide by 1920 high. So 1080 wide, 1920 high. So we'll go upload, and we'll upload a Saturday sausage sizzle. Click apply. So across to the right, we name this template. Okay, description is optional. It's more to prompt you, to remind you what the ad is about if you need to. URL is not relevant here. You can tell the signage to load a URL page, but in this demonstration we're just showing how to upload a still image. Same applies with a video file. You can upload MP4s, but again they will need to be 1080 wide by 1920 high. So we'll leave the duration for 10 seconds. Now for validity, we need to set this to show on Saturday only. So we'll just name this Saturday only, this validity, and we will show it throughout the month of October. And go to settings on this validity, and we will untick everything except for Saturday. And we can even say, let's start this at 10 AM on a Saturday and end it at 6 PM on a Saturday. Okay, so we've set the start and end date. So after the 31st of October, this ad will no longer appear. Click save, and then to make sure that this gets uploaded to your signage, we click update. Give it 2 or 3 minutes and that'll start appearing on your Gamezone. If you have any questions or need support or similar, just give us a call on 1300 00 5483. Thanks very much.